Hello everyone, how are you? I am Dr. Ritu Mohan and welcome you all on my YouTube channel Communication for Success. In today's video, I will talk about sentence connectors, means the words that we use in order to join two words or sentences. In written as well as spoken English, we need sentence connectors. So let us start. The first one is in addition, means साथ में. For example, I have to study this evening. In addition, I have to take a quiz. The second one is moreover, means when we are doing something in addition of something. This is like the first one. For instance, as your teacher, I will teach you to write error free. Moreover, I will increase your vocab. The next one is as well. This is also like in addition and moreover. For instance, that girl won the music competition. She graduated with honors as well. In fact, for example, the doctors are serving the people greatly. They are in fact sacrificing a lot. Next one is actually, means वास्तव में. I am very busy these days. Actually, I have joined 3 online courses at the same time. Especially, we must stay at home, especially when we are in the red zone. Specifically, we must sanitize ourselves, specifically our hands, when we come from outside. In other words, she has cleared the UPSC exams. In other words, she has become an IAS. Similarly, when two things are going on hand in hand, the environmental pollution has been decreased greatly due to lockdown. Similarly, the water of rivers has become very clean. In the same way, make the drink with boiling water in the same way as tea. However, he is a very wealthy person. However, he hardly spares a penny for helping others. Except Kebina. I do not eat refrigerated food except ice cream. For this purpose, he joined the Indian Army as he wanted to serve the nation. For this purpose, he left a lot of jobs. On the contrary, my father prefers tea. On the contrary, I like lassi. Even if he can never live happily due to his greed, even if he has a lot of money. Since since I have been waiting for him only, I left at once he came. Before before I take my breakfast, I go for bath. Once once he started playing flute, he doesn't stop before 1 hour. Whenever, जब भी, feel free to call me whenever you feel any problem. While I was reading while he was using his mobile when our teacher came. Apart from apart from being a singer, he is very bright in his studies. Indeed, her lecture was highly interesting. Indeed, she has sound speaking skills. Consequently, as a result of something, he never bothered about his diet. Consequently, he is feeling weak now. Generally or usually. I don't know why he came by bus. Generally, he comes by his car. Or I don't know why he has come by bus. Usually, he comes by his car. Unless the bank will not give you a new loan unless you settle your account. Unlike Unlike his brother, he never drinks. Finally means at last of something. Finally, he got what he deserved. He is selected as an executive engineer. Beyond, the online classes have expanded the learning and teaching beyond classrooms. In brief means in short of something. We should not prefer imported things. In brief, we must buy domestic products. As far as concerned, as far as my educational qualifications are concerned, I have done PhD in English. So these were some sentence connectors. I hope you have liked them, and I will leave you with an exercise, a small piece of exercise. This homework is important. Dash, please take your time. And the options are as a result, so, therefore. Well, answer this in the comment box. I'll be back with a new video related to vocab only. Till then, be safe, be healthy, be kind, and be vegetarian, please. Thank you.